Some trigonometric basics for 9th and 10th standard. Hello students, today we are going to do some basic things of trigonometry which we actually do mistakes while drawing the diagram while solving the trigonometry board problems. So let's learn some of the basic things of trigonometry. Let's learn what is angle of elevation and angle of depression is. So angle of elevation is when we observe something from a lower level to higher level. So the angle which your eyesight makes with the horizontal is called as your angle of elevation. And what is angle of depression? That is when you are observing something from a higher level to the lower level. So the angle made with the horizontal or with your and the eyesight is called as your angle of depression. So now if we see this diagram here, these two lines are parallel, so this angle is equal to this angle, so because of the interior alternate angles, and now you can solve whatever your trigonometric problem is. Another one important thing is, if you have got two angles, you usually feel it difficult to find out where to put those angles. For example, a man observes from a point A and from a point B a tower, the top of the tower, and when he observes it from a point A, the angle is 60 degree, and when he observes it from B, he found it to be angle of elevation was found to be 30 degree. Now you are confused where to write angle A and where to write B. Which point will be A and which point will be B? See, it is very easy. When you are far from the tower, your angle of elevation is less, and when you are near the tower, your angle of elevation will always be greater, right? So this will be your B and this will be your A, as because at A the angle of elevation is 60 degree, that means the person has moved away from the tower. So this is your diagram for your problem. So I think some of your confusions have gone. Your confusions you could correct it by watching this video. Thank you. Let's start doing the sum. The observer is at 120 meters from the building. When he observed it for the first time, the angle of elevation was 30 degree, and after construction, the angle of elevation was your 60 degree. Okay, so this is your 60 degree. So you have to find the distance at how much height it has been constructed from the previous height. So let's name them. So from here, from triangle BCD, tan 30 degree is BC upon CD, and you know the value of CD, so your BC will be equal to CD into tan 30 degree. So CD is your 120 meter and tan 30 degree is your 1 upon root 3. So keep it like this, or we can form 3. So it is coming out to be your 40 root 3 meter. Now next, from triangle A, C and D, we have to find the distance. We have to find AB. Okay, so BC is easily calculated. If you multiply it with root 3, the value of root 3, exact value of root 3, that is 1.732, then we will get the value of, but we are not calculating it right now because we need AB. So tan 60 degree is coming out to be your AC by CD. Tan 60 degree is √3 and AC is your AB plus BC upon CD. So AB we don't know, and this one is 40 √3 and CD is 120. So your 120 √3 equals to AB plus 40 √3, which is coming out to be your AB is equal to 120 √3 minus 40 √3. These two can be easily subtracted as because both of them are multiplied with √3. So now you can easily do the calculations. 120 minus 40 is coming out to be your 80 √3. So 80 into √3, that is 80 into 1.732 is coming out to be your 136.56 meter. So calculate the answer and let me know what is the answer you are getting. Draw the diagram first. Now the plane is at a height of 3000 meter. From the point of observation, the angle is 30 degree. Now after some time, after 6 seconds, the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. That means the plane has moved near to the observer. So let's take this distance to be like this. So this is now your 60 degree. So this much distance the plane has moved. So the point of observation, let it be A. So initial position was D and then the final position is B of the plane. It took 6 seconds to fly this distance. We have to find the speed. To find the speed of the plane, we have to find the which one? What we have to find? We have to find how much distance the plane has traveled in 6 seconds. So for that we have to find BD. We have to find the value of BD. So let's first start with this triangle, triangle ADE. Tan 30 degree is your DE upon AE. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon √3 equals to D is your 3000 upon AE is your not known. So AE is coming out to be 3000 into √3, which you have to find the value. Okay, some meter will come. Next is your in triangle. So we have found AE. Now if we can found this distance, so if we have to subtract AE and AC so that we can find this distance. So this distance and this distance are equal because they are horizontal and these two are vertical. So BC is also your 3000 meter. So in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to BC upon AC. This is coming out to be √3 and BC is coming out to be 3000 and this is your AC. So your AC is coming out to be 3000 upon √3, or we can write it as √3 upon 3, that is your 1000 √3. So therefore your CE will be equals to AE minus AC, which is coming out to be 3000 √3 minus 1000 √3. So we can subtract this two directly without multiplying it with √3. So it is coming out to be your, it is coming out to be 3000 minus 1000, that is 2000 √3. Then you have to multiply it with the value of √3, that is 1.732, and you will get the value of CE. Now as you get the value of CE, C is equal to your BD. So you got the distance BD. Now to find the speed, divide it with 6 seconds. You will get the speed in meter per second. Let's start with our next sum. Let's first draw the coconut tree, which is in the bank of the river. Okay, the coconut tree reflection, that means above the lake and below the lake, the reflection and the image size, object size and image size should be same. So these two are of equal length. Now the observer is on a boat which is 5 meter from the water level. So this is what the angle of elevation is 45 degree, and from here the angle of depression is your 60 degree. So let's name them first. A, B, then C, D, E and F. Now this one will also be 5 meter because this one and this one are perpendicular and these two are your vertical, these two are parallel and these two are also parallel. So what we have to do, see 45 degree means this side is equal to this side, so tan 45 degree in triangle ACD, tan 45 degree is your CD by AD. Okay, so your CD is and tan 45 degree is 1, so CD upon AD, your AD is equal to CD. Now next in triangle ADF, tan 60 degree will be equal to 60 degree opposite side is DF and the adjacent side is your AD. Okay, so now DF can be written as tan 60 degree is your root 3. DF can be written as DE plus EF. It can be written as your DE plus EF. And AD, we have find out AD is equal to your CD, right? Now again, DE is this one was DE plus EF, and CD can be written as CE minus DE, right? CD can be written as your CE minus DE. Now CE and EF are equal, right? Let's consider them as your X. So it will become EF, I can write it as your X plus DE is your 5. This one I can write it as X minus 5. So now we can solve it. So it is coming out to be your root 3. Let's solve it. I'm solving it over here. So how much it is coming out now? Root 3 is root 3 x minus 5 equal to x plus 5. So root 3x minus 5 root 3 equal to x plus 5. Let's take the x same sides. So root 3 x minus x equal to 5 plus 5 root 3. So it is coming out to be 1.732 minus 1x. And this one is coming out to be 5, 1 plus 1.732. So this is 0.732. X is equals to 5 into 2.732. X is equal to 5 into 2.732 upon 0.732. So this way you can calculate the value of X, that is the height of the you have to find the height of the tree. So if you have to calculate it and you can find the height of the tree. So